Hey everyone, welcome back to Ask Nutritionist Deepa's quick, easy, flavorful recipe videos. And today I'm going to show you how to make quick, easy, creamy moong dal. Mung beans, they are actually not beans, they come from the lentil family, are extremely nutritious type of legume, easily available in pretty much all the ethnic grocery stores or even regular grocery stores, and they are nutrient rich because they are packed with essential nutrients such as protein, prebiotic fiber, and I will be talking more about this prebiotic fiber on Chef Age's show in upcoming weeks. So stay tuned with that. But they are rich in vitamin K, folate, and minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and iron. A lot of people who eat plant-based diets are worried about their calcium and iron content, but guys, you don't need to, because legumes have both. They help us build our bones, as well as they have plenty of iron to make sure that your hemoglobin levels are optimal. Uh, and they are rich in antioxidants. Anytime there is a green color pigment or any color pigment that plant-based food has, which is of course natural, is going to be high in polyphenols or antioxidants, and the prebiotic fiber content of the mung beans is what provides the heart health benefits, the digestive health benefits, because the prebiotic fiber is very unique to some of the lentils, and that is what provides the necessary food that the probiotic bacteria or your microbiome needs in your gut. Diet which is rich in fiber is your key to weight loss. Okay, so definitely mung bean makes that category of foods which are going to contribute to weight loss, blood sugar regulation, like I said, bone health, lowers blood pressure because it contains the perfect amount of potassium, magnesium, these minerals which keep our blood pressure low. So all in all, it's a very versatile ingredient, and the recipe is super simple. I have taken like 2 cups of whole mung beans and soaked them. Ideally I should have soaked it overnight, but I forgot. I soaked it this morning, so it's been soaking for like 4 hours, 5 hours or so. And in that is going to go some crushed garlic. Okay, and then I have already made a masala or a powder containing 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 3 to 4 black pepper, and couple of dry red chilies. So I have this pre-made masala already made, that's going to go in there. So a teaspoon of that, and then of course my secret to making anything creamy, which is the basic gravy cubes, which consist of tomato, onions, and pumpkin seeds. So make sure you guys watch that video as well, because having these cubes ready is extremely handy. And that's all to it. I may add a little bit of turmeric. Let me do that now. And pretty much put it in the instant pot. And off I go. I'm not going to add any extra chili powder, because once this is cooked, I'm going to show you a trick on how to add a dry tadka on top. But for now, this is all we are going to do. It's going to go in the instant pot for, I don't know, maybe 12 minutes, because the mung bean that was soaked was not as soft as I would like it to be. So I'm going to keep it in there for 12 minutes or so, and then let's come back and see what to do next. So this dal is nice and creamy, as you can see here. Got done in 15 minutes, and I have added extra wedge of lemon in it. just to infuse the lemony flavor even more. So I just got back from out of town, and this is a perfect meal for me because I cooked a little bit of rice on the side, and this dal and rice is just going to hit the spot after coming back from a long journey. So I hope you guys enjoy these recipes, and please share and comment. And I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.